Now, do you know that there's not just pollinators in gardens? There's another whole world of activity within the garden. It's kind of like a big arm wrestle. It's kind of like a battle. Now, do you know what the other insects could be? Starts with P as well.
I don't know. I don't know either.
A
Predator?
Exactly. Predators. Now, what do predators do?
They like eat prey. They
eat their prey.
Yeah.
Exactly. So in any garden, you've got the good bugs and the bad bugs. And predators are busy and they're looking to find things that they like to eat. And what we need to do as someone looking at a garden is to say, well, where's the balance? Because if we kill all the predators,
then the prey would like eat all the plants.
that's right. So when we start to understand the balance, when we saw the eggs, when we saw the eggs over there for the parasitic wasps, we know that they are going to lay their eggs in the caterpillars, and then their little caterpillar eats its way out. So it eats the host and then pops out and then moves on. So it's a real battlefield out there. But if we know that they're out there, we can use them and let them control the caterpillars. Because if we spray everything, we kill the good bugs and the predators as well. So here's a question for you. Even with those holes, could you still eat that leaf?
Yeah. Yes.
So does it really matter that we need to wipe out all of the bad insects? Because if we wipe out all of the pests, what do we risk doing?
We risk doing...
because some of the pests are food to the animals, and then those animals will die. And then because those animals actually help the environment, so everything won't be that healthy.
So as detectives, one thing we have to do all the time is just look around the garden and see what's there, what's out there. Is there any damage going on? Let's have a look at this plant. What can you see on here?
I see it's doing pretty well.
Yeah,
But some holes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's holes in here.
Okay,
That
so
means, there was a
Caterpillar.
there.
okay.
Maybe the caterpillar's still there.
So let's have a little look, because where would a pest like a caterpillar lay its eggs?
On the leaf?
Yeah, which part of the leaf?
Maybe in the stem right here.
Yeah, or where else? If you wanted your eggs to be safe, where would you put them?
Maybe like
Under
kind
it?
of under it.
Or
Let's have a
maybe
look.
inside here,
Let's have a look.
if there is.
Or hidden in the curved leaf.
Ah, look.
Oh.
Can you see that?
Yes, but how do they like stay up on that?
Oh, when they lay them, they're a bit sticky.
Whoa, they're so white.
Yeah, but let's see. Lift some of these leaves and see if you can see.
No.
There's a caterpillar there.
Oh, there is too. There it is.
Oh yeah. That's weird.
Can't really reach it.
Let's see where it is, tucked away underneath.
It's just right under this. It's like a brownish color.
Yeah, I thought caterpillars were like green and furry and hairy.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really look that furry or hairy.
Maybe some others would have it.